I got some people asking me like, why so far away? In a few months I'm gonna be receiving a group here in the jungle for an immersion, 10 days, and I will personally go and receive you in Rio Branco and help you to navigate the space there, coming all the way here to the jungle. The way that people relate here is different. It's far away from anything that I would find comfortable. But slowly, it adjusts, and a different quality of thoughts come. It's a cleansing of the thoughts, inviting new ways to come to your life. And I feel like these different quality of thoughts, they start a dialogue with old patterns, and they help me to see things that I couldn't see. I've been coming here many times, and every time I come, new layers of stuff just get washed away. So extending the invitation again, if you're feeling the call to come and to experience this as well, connecting with the spirits of this majestic forest here. They speak with you in the dreams, in the ceremonies that they have here, in the way that they live. It's very magical. And if you're missing some of this magic in your life, I strongly recommend to invite yourself to get away from your comfort zone, to see things in a different way. Yeah. Hush, hush.